Okay, after about 2 hours of tweaking it, and I just kind of want to try to show you here what goes on. That silver thing right there, that's the swash plate. And these little arms right here, these servos, move up and down, pushing that swash plate, which either pushes the helicopter forward, backwards, left, or right. So when I ran it, it was consistently wanting to pull backwards. So what I have to do is take this little servo arm off right in there, take it off, and loosen the coupler a turn or two, a half a turn, whatever it might take, and put it back on so that it levels that swash plate out. So that way when I throttle up, it just goes up and hovers and doesn't want to walk backwards or walk to the left or walk to the right. And as I said, it's taken me probably a couple hours of tweaking with it. As soon as this binds up, okay. And that's what I'm looking for right there. A near stable hover. I am just barely touching the control. I got no hand on the, well, okay, getting close to the chair there. Okay, there. I'm not touching the control, not touching the control. Kind of wanting to walk forward and to the left, but it's just so minute. So now I can sit here and walk it around the kitchen. You can kind of hear the bird going a little crazy. He doesn't like that I give more attention to my helicopter than I do to the bird. And there you have it. I'm back in flight again.